Alright, good morning and welcome back. Well, today, with our duct tape build, I think I'm going to reattach our pistons. And then I'll figure out what next. Oh, I also 3D printed some supports for the turret here. And for the body. So those are looking pretty good. Since I didn't properly pre-stress my beams and my body, that's why everything's collapsing, I think. But it's another lesson learned. Bummer. Alright, so this is a really tight fit. I made my tubes too tight. So if I were to try to do that and you play with it, it would just bend, which long term we don't want. So I gotta redo yet another tube there. Okay, I got my new rod made. I just gotta disassemble the old one and attach it again. Alright, like it right there. So I think I need to make some sheets to cover it. Boy, I'm running out of space. I got my sheet finished. Got it trimmed up, 5 layers thick. Alright, let's play with this for a minute. Thinking the back end might have to be 3 different pieces. Alright, well, let's make a piece wide enough to go wrap around here and up here. Then we'll just cut the corners to almost lay it down like a Christmas present. Well, and that's that. I'm all out of yellow duct tape, so I had to go and get some more. Alright, welcome back. It's been a few days. It looks like my little stands are holding strong because the frame is no longer bending. So that's what I want. We shall finish skinning the shell here. I got some more duct tape, so I'll begin doing that. Got 2 slight cuts here. But now I know I need to cut off a little bit more on this top edge. Feels like after all that I shortchanged myself a 1/4 inch. New plan. I shall just do this middle section and then do the corners individually. And it kind of works because I'm changing the pattern from the side to vertical because it'll help actually bend easier, I think. Oh, this is a mind bender for me for some reason. Okay, so I finally cut it down to this corner. So now I can make these pieces smaller and individual. Oy. This is so frustrating. Didn't think it'd be this challenging to cover this corner. I spent my entire morning on a stupid corner. I shall put this down for now and come back tomorrow.